Good morning students. Today we are going to show you the new practicals, that is the titration of ferrous ammonium sulfate against potassium permanganate. First of all you have to start with the weighing balance. You have to take the weighing balance और उसको पहले zero notification पे लेकर आना है, and then you have to put a paper का weight 0 consider करना है, and then you have to add 3.92 grams of ferrous ammonium sulfate in it. 3.92 ग्राम प्रॉपरली बैलेंस करके यूज़ करना है. नाउ देखो एक्यूरेट और 3.92 ग्राम वे हो गया. देन यू हैव टू स्विच ऑफ द वेइंग बैलेंस एंड इन अ क्लीन बीकर यू हैव टू ऐड दिस वेड ferrous ammonium sulfate. To this we have to add 100 ml of distilled water to make the solution, and then transfer the solution in a volumetric flask. Transfer the solution in a volumetric flask which is having the capacity of 100 ml. Make sure that your powder should be dissolved properly. Dissolve the properly powder. Stir it continuously. You can use glass rod also for stirring the powder of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Now your complete sample, A part of preparation of standard solution of FAS is completed. For volumetric analysis we required the burette stand, the burette. In order to make this burette standardized, you have to first insert little amount of potassium permanganate solution which is already prepared, and rinse the burette with the solution properly, and then wash it out. Rinsing is very compulsory because it will make the instrument completely concentrated with the potassium permanganate solution. Then insert your potassium burette in the stand. Then fill the burette with KMnO4 till 0 marking. If the solution get increased, you have to make it till 0. Okay. From the prepared sample, we will take 10 ml sample in the conical flask. In that 10 ml, add 2 normal H2SO4, 2 normal H2SO4, 1 full test tube. Now in this example, in this practical, we are not going to use a separate indicator because potassium permanganate itself is working as an indicator. So only we require the sulfuric acid in order to dissolve the ions of the ferrous ammonium sulfate. Once you added the H2SO4, mix it thoroughly and then start your titration. Titration start करते वक्त एक चीज़ याद रखो, आपका जो फ्लो रहता है ड्रॉप का वो कंटिन्यूस सेशन में रखो, and when you add the drop, continuous go on mixing it. Continuous go on mixing it till it come to light pink color. That means the solution has become neutral. ड्रॉप और कंसिस्टेंसी याद रखना है, डिफरेंस. यू हैव टू कंटिन्यूस गो ऑन मिक्सिंग इट. Till the color get changed to light pink. This is the light pink color which indicate that the sample has become neutral in nature. And concentrate on your burette reading. Now burette reading is showing 10.5. This you have to repeat 3 times so that your reading will get the constant burette reading for the calculation purpose. Calculation part for the ferrous ammonium sulfate. In the handbook you have to write the solution which you have taken in the burette, that is potassium permanganate, the solution in the pipette FAS, the solution in the conical flask FAS plus H2SO4 2 normal. Then end point is what? Pink color, light pink color. देन यू हैव टू राइट द रीडिंग इन सच अ वे दैट अगर आप 0 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो ब्यूरेट के लिए तो रीडिंग आपका जो फाइनल रहेगा वही आपका फाइनल आंसर है, इनिशियल वैल्यू कुछ भी नहीं रहेगी. So that like this way you have to note down the constant burette reading, and after having the constant burette reading here you have to see the calculation. यहाँ पे आपको x की वैल्यू की जगह पे आपका जो burette reading है वो डालना है और डिवाइड करना है 0.2. ये 0.2 कहाँ से आया, तो 0.0316 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1000 से और डिवाइड करेंगे 158 जो मोलिकुलर मास है उसका, तो आंसर 0.2 ही आता है. And then you will get divided with the CBR and you will get the molar concentration. In this year onwards it is compulsory to give the record of the calculation from the log table also. तो आपको पता है ये log of the 20 का देखना है 0 में, तो you will get the log and you have to subtract and then you have to find out the antilog. Your antilog and your calculation will be the same, and the molarity of the unknown sample of K1O4 is 0.01 molar. Thank you so much for watching the video.